Here is a clever way to create a packaging sealant with a simple stationary clip. Remove the wire bit and cut it to leave the rounded part. Fit it to the electric solder and start sealing any plastic packages. When you're in the bush camping with friends and family, you can make these simple DIY salt and pepper shakers as illustrated. You can make a DIY soapstone grater by using an aluminum sheet, cutting the required size and boring a couple of holes on one side, then revert the sides, and the tool is ready to use. Here is a quick and easy way to protect your blades. Cut a PVC tube to the length of your blade. Press it almost flat on a vise, cut the top part, and then simply fit in your blade as illustrated. As for bigger blades like a saw, if you have lost or misplaced the protective sheath, you can simply use a cardboard box to secure it as illustrated. To prevent damaging the bolt threads when holding it with the vise, cut some foam rubber and place them on both sides of the vise as illustrated. It can also be used to secure a saw blade. Here is a simple and easy way to create threads in a PVC pipe. Secure a threaded steel piece on the vise and heat it with a blowtorch until hot. Then screw on the PVC pipe to create perfect threads. Here is another DIY tip to enable easy and quick drilling on some challenging places. Fairly sharpen the drill bit as shown and make drilling easy.